honeys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and subscribe for me. And if you are returning, hey boo, what's up? We finna get into it. So in today's video, I will be reviewing, unboxing, and installing this beautiful wig from Cranberry Hair. Now, you know, we love packaging. We love when anybody sends something, come with some goodies, especially here. So they sent us some lashes and some wig caps, which I appreciate. Now, the wig they sent me is their 26-inch deep wave 4x4 transparent lace wig, and she was absolutely beautiful. From the curl pattern to the lace was impeccable, and did I mention the knots were small, so you know it bleached like a dream. If you want to see how this install turned out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me, and let's get into it.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is. And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe. And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
right, y'all, so I finally finished the install on this beautiful hair. At first I was scared because I was looking at the lace. I'm like, are you gonna embarrass me? But no, she didn't embarrass me. The wig did not embarrass me. She is super cute. The density is amazing. The curl pattern, like, I know it's winter in Michigan, I don't care. The girl, I've been wanting some curly hair, and this hair is absolutely beautiful. Like, do y'all see this texture? I gotta cover. Like, do y'all see this texture? This is absolutely beautiful. This is a beautiful, I'm funny. This is gorgeous. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I was struggling. The video took long for some reason, probably because my loudmouth butt was on the phone. I was on the phone, I'm not gonna lie. Had an emergency call I had to take, and I had to take a call. So I was like, the girl, what do you call? I answer like Kim Possible, okay? But yeah, y'all, this hair, cranberry hair, y'all did this. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Barely any shedding, no tangling. Like, what? Bleached like a dream, plucked like a dream. Okay, first of all, small knots, a great lace. Like, y'all need to shop, and my discount code gonna be listed down below so y'all can shop, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase this wig, this is also their deep wave texture. It's a 4x4 closure. Also, this is my first time trying a 4x4. I always thought like, oh my god, I'm not gonna have enough room. First of all, 4x4s, y'all more than enough. I'm sorry, I didn't think 4x4 was enough. But yes, I absolutely love this hair. So yeah, don't forget to shop Cranberry Hair and use my discount code. Let me know what y'all purchased, if y'all liked it. Keep your girl updated. I'm gonna be doing an update on this wig too. Make sure I do an update. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day.